So good morning everyone. This is the code of NetFlix GUI. So here um, I have taken a class that is admin selection. It is extends to JFrame. So this is the part for connection. This is the part for connecting to database. So here my database is ecom. So this is the driver. This is my username and password. So this is the constructor of this class. So here init component and hide panels. Here I am hiding all panels. Here I provide only login panel. So let me show the design of these panels. So here basically I have taken a frame. So in that frame I am arranging 5 panels, that is login panel, admin panel, checkout panel, check-in panel, add movie and display movie. So let me describe about login panel. So this is the login panel. Here I have taken a JTest field and label and another test field, and here this is the button. So here every button has an event. So this is the action event. So after clicking this button something has to be done. So that thing we need to mention in this method. So here this is the method. So here after hitting that login, the data which is entered by user, that is password and username. Here I am checking with that password and username. If those password or those username or password is empty, here I'll show a message. If he enter something, username and password, here I am passing those username and password to a method called check. So let me check what is there in that check method. So check method. So here there is a method check. So here I am passing that username and password to a table. Here I am executing a query, that is select star from login where name equal to username and password equal to pass. If it provide any, if there is any element with that, if there is any value with that elements, the query will return some result set. So if there is anything in that result set, the here I have taken a flag, that is k. So this if there is anything in that result set, this k will increase. So here this function is integer type. It returns some integer value. So here I have written the return k. Here I have written the integer value. So this is about the login. So next reset. So this reset button is also have some action. If I click on that reset, so here all the things should be empty. So this is the deep overview about login panel. So let me explain about the admin panel. So this is the admin panel. After the user getting login, this panel will be displayed. So here I have taken more buttons. So here each button have some property, each button have some action. If I click on this logout button, uh, there should be some action. uh, it uh, it uh, it provides some action. That is, here I have uh, visible the admin panel, that is set visible false. So here I hide that admin panel, and again I provide the login window, and here I have set the values of admin name, admin pass and login message as null values. So this is the logout button. So if I click on exit, the entire frame will be disappear. So let me click on checkout. If I click on checkout, there is something has to be done. That is, here I have I am hiding all the I am hiding the login window and admin window, and I have displayed the checkout window and a J table. This table I am using for some data retrieval, and here I am calling a method, that is show movies. CO show movies. This is a method. So let me check what is there in that method. So here I am retrieving all the movie list which is having the status as pending. So here the idea is, in this checkout bar, in this checkout window, the user can find all the orders which have the pending status. So based on that status, here the staff should change the status as shipped. So here I am getting the list of pending items. So this is the query. So here I create a connection for this query, and here I am executing the query. After executing this query, the result set will be generated. So here I have taken a table column with columns email ID, movie ID, status, and here I am defining here I am assigning string values. So this is here all the values. Here I am storing the values to the table. So here I am getting all the movies which has the status as pending. So this is the check-in button. So I think this is also similar to the previous method. So here I am hiding some panels, and I have shown some panels and some test fields, and here I call a function, I call a method, that is show movies. Let me check what is there in that show movies. So here I am selecting all the movie list from the database, and again I have gathered these movies in a table. Here I am retrieving these movie details from the table, and here I am arranging those movie details in a tabular form, like column wise. And here this is add movie. After clicking this button, here I have hide some panels, and I am assigning null values to some fields, and this is display this. So here also it is shown some action. So here I am calling a function, that is show movies. So here all the available movies. So the support so the staff can see the all the available movies here. So this is all about admin panel, and let me discuss about checkout panel. So here I have taken a table for the values which I have retrieved for the checkout window. So here I have taken a test field, and I have taken a drop down list, and I have taken some more buttons, and by clicking on the submit button, there is some action performed, that is, so here I am calling the update function. So let me check what's happening in that update function. So in this update function I am changing here I am changing the update. Here I am changing the status, the order status as shipped. So this is okay. So here execute update. So here this is the command. Here I am finding that ID, particular ID, and that particular ID, with that particular ID I am changing the status. So let me discuss about check-in. So this is also very similar to the above one, add movie. So here I have defined many text fields for movie ID, title, movie poster, so on. So after hitting the submit button, so here this is the submit button. So after hitting the submit button, all the values must be gathered, and I am sending those values to the database. So here this thing is done in this function, that is add data function, add data method. So here this is the method. So here I am creating a new instance for database connection. So here the driver, manager, and here these are the details. If any field containing null value, it doesn't allow to the table. So here this is the inserting part. If the command executes, but all the details is stored into the table. So this is the simple demo about NetFlix coding part. Thank you.